A second rail line through La Crosse is not finalized just yet, but today the track is shut down for some construction work on part of that project.
Crews are working on a few different areas of the track, including Forest Hills Golf Course, where major construction is needed if a second rail line is approved. News 8's Kyle Dimke joins us now with a look at what changes are happening.
Well, the last train steamed through La Crosse at about 8 o'clock this morning, and you won't hear the rumble of another one until after 9 tonight. BNSF Railway says it spent a lot of time organizing today's track shutdown, so it wants to get all the work done that it can before opening the track back up.
Jerry Valley and his family have lived across the street from the railroad tracks in La Crosse for about 9 years. And over the past few months, he has seen some major changes to the railway.
Because I've seen it going from the beginning, where they brought the tracks in, they welded them together, and now they're picking up the assembled sections and moving them down, buttoning them up to one another to weld them together. And I think it's kind of neat. It's kind of like me when I was younger in Legos.
You'll see some additional what we call double crossovers that we're installing. And what those do is allow trains to move in either direction from either track.
With the track being shut down for 13 hours, there's quite a bit of work being done on the land BNSF has already received a permit for. One of the biggest projects before the second rail line is laid is installing a tunnel under the tracks at Forest Hills Golf Course.
What that will do is allow train traffic over and pedestrians and users of the golf course to travel under the train tracks. So it'll be a big safety improvement when it's all done.
Course manager Keith Stoll says the project has forced him to push back opening day until April 10th, but says this underpass will speed up play. And not being able to start spring cleaning on the course is actually good for everyone too.
The great thing is it'll probably be the best the golf course has ever opened up in that condition. We'll have the ability to get it ready, and it won't really be trampled when the ground's soft. So it can be a good benefit for it.
The pedestrian bridge that goes over the BNSF rail yard is also being worked on today. And as for Forest Hills Golf Course, the GM says he hopes to start working on the greens and new tee boxes next week. The course is designing 2 new holes that will hopefully be open in the 2016 season.
Thank you, Kyle. BNSF Railway still needs a permit from the Army Corps of Engineers before it can officially add the second rail line through the marsh. It hopes to get that permit and have the second track in place and in service by this fall.